Hi. I'm live from my parents' basement. I made a fort. Do you like it? I worked really hard on it today. I've had a lot of time on my hands. So, I'm Andrea from Dropper. I'm going to play some songs for you on my omnichord. Yeah, I'm just going to do that. We hear this okay, everybody? My jingle jangles? Just because you don't see me right doesn't mean I'm trying to hide. Always been one to stand my ground. Being around you makes me wanna die. Being around you makes me wanna die. Feel your eyes burn in the back of my skull, showing up uninvited, laughing louder so you know. I will do my best to fight it. I love to rain on your parade every time you see my face. I love to rain on your parade, letting you know I'm okay. I won't let you win. Staying out of the way or staying in. I'm not gonna fight. Take the space and take what's mine. I love to rain on your parade every time you see my face. I love to rain on your parade. You know I'm okay. You guys ever forget the words to your own songs? What's up, everybody? I wish I could see everybody's faces. That would be really cute. But I'm glad that I can play for you on the internet. This is my first internet live show. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is life now. Hopefully someday I'll be able to kiss your faces again, but today's not that day. Do we like my disco drums? Was this all a waste of time? I feel like it's been on your mind, but I got no money and nothing shows, so I can't just let it go. I'm sorry to my dad and mom. They worked so hard, said get a job, but the van's got 300,000 miles, so I'll be sleeping on strangers' couches for a while. I live so many lives in slow time. I feel I am losing my mind. this what it means to be living the dream? I guess I'll take it. Yes, I'll take it. Was just all a waste of time. Played at 6 people after 7-hour drive. Still got no money and nothing to show, but it'll get better down the road, I hope. I've lived so many lives in so little time. I feel like I am losing my mind. Is this what it means to be living the dream? I guess I'll take it. Guess I'll take it. Woo! I'm just gonna cheer for myself because it makes me feel good. And everybody else should be cheering for themselves too, for getting up and maybe putting on pants. And even if you didn't put on pants, still cheer for yourself, because we're gonna get through all this nonsense. I'm trying really hard not to curse because, again, I'm staying at my parents' house right now, so they told me not to curse so much. It's really hard, but I'm trying to be a good daughter for once in my life, because I gave them enough of a hard time as a teenager. I figure as an adult I should be nicer or whatever. Woo! I see whoever's saying woo. Woo to you too. This next song is like maybe the corniest song I ever wrote. 5 olive martinis. I like reading the chat. It makes me feel less alone. This next song is like the cheesiest song I've ever wrote, but I'm going to play it for you because I wrote it on the omnichord. It was the first time I ever used this. I wrote this song. And it's about when you love somebody a lot and then you realize that they're ruining your life. So you want to not do that anymore. And yeah, so... Maybe someday I'll keep my white clothes clean, eat off plates that aren't broken, and enjoy the finer things. You're as familiar as the sound of jangling keys, and I hate to see you go, but I can't get nothing done unless you leave. I don't know what you want me to say. Think about you always, don't think you feel the same. I'm distracted and you're a fire. I want someone to love, not someone I admire, but you steal from me, take all my energy. And I always miss the city when I'm lonely, standing in the rain, or right now. And my blood, it starts to boil every fucking time I hear your name. Sorry, Mom. And I'm starting to think that I'll never feel this way again. But I'd rather be alone than fall for fake romance. I don't know what you want me to say. Think about you always, don't think you feel the same. I'm distracted and you're a fire. I want someone to love, not someone I admire, but you steal from me, take all my energy. But you steal from me, take all my energy. Yay! Thanks, guys, for being here. Thank you, Siren Sounds, Lindsay, for putting this together. This is so fun. It's like fun knowing that there's people listening and like watching, and we could all be together doing this, even though we're not all together. Cheers. My glass of wine. Also, happy 420, everybody. All you freaking weed heads out there. Sorry, Mom, again. Also, Kahim Rivera was sick. I just needed to say that before I forget, but how could I forget because he was sick? And then Sabrina Ellis is up next. They're awesome. And then Diane Coffee after that. So it's going to be really fun still. This is my last song. So stay tuned, everybody, or else you're going to be in trouble. Not really. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Oh no, those are March drums. I need rock drums. There we go. I feel like running away. Been staring at the wall for 6 days straight. I am smoking a pack a day. Feel like I'm going insane. And if one more person wants my attention, they're gonna have to pay. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Oh no. I'm turning off my phone, putting that shit on airplane mode. I am taking back control. So sick of being social. And if one more person calls me, I won't be home. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Oh no. I've exhausted all my empathy. I think my mind is playing tricks on me. I checked out at 2:45. Don't talk to me, don't talk to me, don't talk to me, don't talk to me. 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 Oh no. Thanks, guys. Have fun the rest of the show. Andrea from Dropper. Bye.